Hi guys, welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your Discovery Bank account. So follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in discovery.bank. It will take you to the official website of Discovery Bank, and once the page loads up, you can see this interface over here. Click on the And in this interface, you can see the login button at the top right corner. Click on it. It will redirect you to the login portal of Discovery Bank. And over here, enter the username of your account. Once you do that, enter the password of your account. And to confirm what you have typed, click here on the eye icon. After that, click on Login. You will be logged into your Discovery Bank account. And in case if you guys forgot your username or password of your account, click here forgot username and forgot password to reset it. So this is how you can log in into your Discovery Bank account. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.